There you go, one last video, Ed. Got the truck all put together. I redid the black plastic pieces underneath. Painted everything but the hood, tailgate, and right bedside. Everything else was painted just now. I'm done. But yeah, there's what I was talking about. I got the top of the headlights out now. It was back in from being hit, and all this was back under. She's all out now. I'm just waiting for a socket for the marker light, turn signal light. The other one broke on me. And I put a new turn signal marker light in there. I just gotta wash the wheels and tires and the step bars up tomorrow. She's all together and done. It's the same can of paint as last time, so there's no color variant there. This is the typical Ford Oxford white. Yeah, then need a left tail light finally. I got tired of seeing a hole in it, so they sent me the right one. So I said, yeah, just send me a left one. So I put 2 new tail lights in it. The bumper's all done, tailgate's back on, everything's clean and put together except wheels and tires, step bars, and the mirrors. So now it looks like a truck again with the damage fixed. These trucks are so easy to take the doors and stuff apart these years, so why not? Because this goes back in so far behind there, and the molding's hard rubber, so you can't pull them out. You can't really roll them out with ease to get paint in behind there, so that's why I detrim them, pull all the handles out. There should be. Still didn't get to ride the bike today. Busy doing this. Get her done. And she's done. Push them in so I don't wipe my face on them walking by. Alright. Peace.